Wait, before you place your next trade you need to see this. Most people lose money in crypto not because the market is bad, but because their strategy is worse. But what if I told you there's a simple, proven trading strategy that works even if the market is crashing? This is AlphaCryptoLab, and today I'll show you a trading method that smart investors use to win in both bull and bear markets. Let's get into it, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're serious about making smarter moves in crypto, here's the truth. Most beginner traders just buy random coins, chase pumps, and panic sell when the price drops. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. What you need is a system, a way to trade with a clear plan, not emotions. So here's the strategy smart traders use. It's called the three-part crypto trading system. Step 1. Trend confirmation. Only trade in the direction of the trend. Use a simple indicator like the 50-day moving average MA. If price is above the MA, it's an uptrend, only look to buy. If price is below the MA, it's a downtrend, better to wait or short. Step 2. Entry with support and resistance. Look for support zones, strong price levels where the coin bounced before. Buy at support and uptrends. Use free tools like TradingView to draw horizontal lines. Don't chase green candles, buy low. Step 3. Risk management is everything. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. Always use a stop loss target to X or 3x your risk. This keeps you profitable even if some trades fail. This one rule separates winners from losers. If you're not a full-time trader, stick to the 4-hour daily chart. Why? Less noise, more reliable signals. Don't get stuck watching 1-minute candles, that's emotional torture. Remember, patience pays in crypto. Real example. Let's say Bitcoin is above the 50-day MA, so we look for a buy. Now we find support at $60,000, and price bounces there twice. That's our entry zone. We place our buy order a little above support. Set stop loss 5% below. Set take profit at 2x or 3x that distance. Even if 4 out of 10 trades fail, we still make profit because of smart risk to reward. Don't make these mistakes. Don't overtrade. Quality is better than quantity. Don't trade without a stop loss, it's like driving with no brakes. Don't go all in. Always keep some cash on the side for the next opportunity. Don't follow hype, follow a system. If this helped you, imagine what you'll learn by subscribing to AlphaCryptoLab. We break down real strategies, real analysis, and give you the tools to win without the hype. Drop A in the comments if you're ready to trade smarter. And tell me, do you use a trading strategy? Or are you still guessing? Thanks for watching. Remember, it's not about trading more, it's about trading smart. This is AlphaCryptoLab, where future millionaires are made. See you in the next one.